Welcome to KeyworX, the #1 solution for Amazon rank tracking. Today we're going to go through how you can use KeyworX to track your product's ranking and improve your sales. This is a KeyworX dashboard. Here you can find all the products you're currently tracking and see an overview of your ranking data. When you click into a product, you can see the keywords you're tracking for that product, as well as the data on where you currently rank for that keyword. You can also see how much you've moved in the rankings over the last 24 hours and in the last 7 days. In the action column, you can open a graph that will show your tracking data for that keyword, and you can mouse over a tracking point to get the date and ranking data for that point. Also in the action column, you can open a link to an Amazon search for that keyword, so you can see exactly how your product looks in the listings. If you're finished with a particular keyword, you can delete individual items for your keyword tracking to keep your dashboard tidy. If you delete a keyword, the data's gone forever, so make sure you're not going to need it before you delete it. Now, let's look at how we add a new product to your KeyworX dashboard. First, click the Add ASIN button to open a new product window. Here you can copy and paste the Amazon link or ASIN code of the product you want to track. Add the keywords you'd like to track and select the Amazon region you're selling on. Not sure which keywords to track? You can read our keyword research guide at the link in the description. And don't worry about finding all your keywords before adding your products. You can always add more keywords later. Once you add your products, it can take up to an hour to get the initial data. So now's the perfect time to start reading up on some of our ranking strategies. We have a link to that in the description below. Once your product is uploaded, KeyworX will automatically start tracking your ranking data every day. Need to make changes to what you're tracking? You can use the Actions menu on your KeyworX dashboard to add keywords. You can also edit your product's name on KeyworX and pin the product to the top of the KeyworX dashboard so it's always easy to find. The Actions menu also links you directly to the product page, gives you the option to delete your tracking data for that product, and copy your keywords to your clipboard to export into another software. Now that you started tracking your ranking data, you can start making steps to improve your rankings. Make sure to check our ranking guides, and if you have any questions about KeyworX or how to use our data, you can contact us via our live chat or by email sales@keyworx.org. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.